Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to wake up with a Spotify music. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, by default, Spotify can't handle that. Okay, we would need another application. Now, just go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store. In here, tap on search, go to the search bar and just find morning alarm clock and music right here. Morning alarm clock and music. Now, if you're using iOS, the app will look like this. Just tap on get, wait for it to install, and then once done, just follow simple prompts. And at the bottom, you'll be able to see Spotify. Okay, tap on Spotify, connect your Spotify account, and select your favorite song. Now, if you're using Android, you can go ahead and look for Google Clock app right here. Just install it. Wait for it to load. I think you can go ahead and use this one on iOS as well. Just tap on open. All right, once it's opened, go ahead over to alarms. Maybe this one right here. I'm going to tap on it. Then I'm going to go ahead and tap on sound. And here, as you can see, you have Spotify music. Okay, so what you'll do is just go ahead and find the specific music that you like. You can just easily tap on search right here if you want to find specific music. If not, you have the list right here. Okay, for example, this one. All right, as you can see here, it is now selected. That's basically it. Just go ahead and go back. And as you can see here, Spotify sound connected the specific music. Don't forget to tap on save right here. And then once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.